How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is, the exact levels I'm watching, and how I'm going to trade them this coming week. So let's get with it. So SPY really hasn't changed. Had two weird days. One a slow grind up, the next day, a Friday, just a very weird day. So levels are still good. It still respected them well for the most part. As you can see, this was my level from last week's watch list. This zone I had drawn out. We came up, we rejected nice pre-market, but it hit pre-market. Unfortunately, I was sleeping at that time, did not get to take that trade. So what I'm looking for this upcoming week, if we open around this same area, either I want to see us get above this zone for calls to play it up to this 559.5 level. So I want to break, possible retest for a call entry, long entry. As far as bounces, if we pull back to this 547.6, I'll be looking for a possible bounce, possible ES longs, whatever you like to trade. Trade ES futures or options based off these levels. I think you get the point with the rest of these levels. This is support levels going down. We'll be looking for trades if something happens, we pull back around these levels. So I also have a video on how I find my levels and how I trade my levels. So be sure you take advantage of that as well. So much free education on here, so check it out. I only added one level on SPX, and it was this 5562. You can see it nicely on the 4-hour. It's current resistance. I'm going to be watching that level as well this coming week. We get above it, maybe a long entry, but honestly, I'd rather be above this 5585 before I go long, just to confirm the SPY level as well. We'll see how they play out. Keep in mind, I'm always watching SPX and SPY levels together. I'm basing my entries off of both, okay? This 5500 to 5492, the main bounce area I'm watching for this coming week if we do have a pullback. Definitely will consider some calls or ES longs in this area. You can trade SPY calls, SPX calls, ES longs. You get the picture. SPY, SPX, ES, I'm trading them together. So up next, QQQ. But stick around. I want to look at the swing trade ideal I gave you all last week. I want to take a look at Amazon, so stick around for that. The only level I have is if we break above this 476.5 for calls or NQ longs. I really don't see any more clear levels on QQQ as far as the hourly goes. I caught one trade on it last week. I think it was about a 40% trade. We caught the uptrend entry one day, which was a slow grind up. The worst type of days to trade in my opinion. But now let's take a look at the swing trade ideal. So here it is, ticker AMZN, Amazon. This was a gap fill trade ideal I gave you all. Unfortunately, I missed my entry. Did not get to trade this myself. But I had a lot of people reach out and said they took this trade ideal and they caught this move up here. Still got some room to fill the gap, but that's a massive move. Looks, I'm not for sure what the contracts move or whatever, but that's a very nice short-term trade, so swing trade. So hopefully you caught that and made some money. If you did, let me know in the comments if you caught it. I love seeing you all make money. So that's it for this week. I hope you all have an amazing week. Let's just crush it. Let's focus in and make it happen this week. Peace.